This year's NAFA I&E will begin with 3 different pre-conference workshops, as well as some exciting speakers and panels.
So this year at I&E, again, we're going to have great educational offerings for all of our attendees. We are holding 3 pre-conference workshops this year. One sustainable fleet management and one asset management certificate program will be offered. And then we also have our ongoing Leadership Development Institute workshop. This year, it's called Contented Cows Give Better Milk, Your People, Your Profit. It's going to be led by Richard Haddon. Speaking of Richard Haddon, he's going to be also on the main stage, one of our leadership speakers on the main stage, and he'll keynote the address on Monday. And he's going to talk about recruiting and retention in a new world of work, which I know is a topic that a lot of our members are very interested in. We're also going to have an OEM panel this year. We're going to have a safety keynote and Wednesday is our safety focus day. So a lot of the sessions that day, in addition to the keynote, will be focused on safety. We're also going to focus on again, have on our main stage all of our CAFM graduates from the prior year, and also announce our 100 best award winners for 2024. In addition to all of those things, we have several collaborations happening. We've invited 5 other organizations to share content with attendees. These groups include the Environmental Defense Fund, the National Safety Council, the Black Fleet Network, TRSA, and Garage Gurus is going to be doing a special technician training. In addition to that, we're doing a Fleet Solutions live breakfast panel, which will be based on an article that we had in our recent publication called The Top Priorities for 2024. It's going to be a great panel discussion. And then a new thing this year we're also doing is a food for thought luncheon, where we're asking attendees to bring their big ideas. We're going to have roundtable discussions where they can actually sit and talk with other participants and talk about their big ideas, their issues, their concerns, and hopefully leave there with some real tangible solutions to those problems.